So may dalawang distrito, no? At sino ang nag-introduce ng amendment? May dalawang distrito, hindi naman to kasalanan ng congressman doon sa distritong yon. Ang NEP nila is 2.530 billion. And then pagdating sa GAA, naging 20.999 billion. Isa pa, 1.508583 billion sa NEP. Pagdating sa GAA, 20,795. Tapos, ang pinasok lang sa BICAM dito is 5 billion and 4 billion each. So, ang napasok dun sa small committee is 13 billion. Dun sa isa, yung isa 14 billion. So, sino yung nagpasok ng 13 billion na yun at saan tinanggal yun?
So again, the small committee is subsumed within the Committee on Appropriations, and it is not required to render a
No, no, no,
separate
no.
committee report. The rule that you are citing, Honorable Chanco, pertain to standing committees. And the mother committee in this case of the small committee is the Committee on Appropriations.
Yes, but did we exempt the Committee on Appropriations not to submit a committee report? No.
Again, the committee report of the Committee on Appropriations at the plenary level is the HGAB itself.
Yeah, but all meetings, dito sa ating rules, all meetings must be on record. So it's not only the committee report, dapat yung small committee na yon, meron silang report na finurnish lahat.
Again, if with the indulgence of the Honorable Chanco, the COMSEC is looking into the request, if we may move to the next question.
Okay, I will move to the next question.
Thank you very
mukhang
much.
wala talaga. Signed committee report showing ano yung binawa, saan napunta.